Upbeat music playing. Welcome back, smart shoppers. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two popular steam mops: the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the Dirt Devil Steam Mop. Both claim to be the best cleaning solution, but only one can come out on top. Let's see which one deserves a place in your home cleaning routine. Let's start with the price. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is priced at $99, while the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is a more affordable option at $74. Reviewers appreciate the Dirt Devil for being budget-friendly, making it a great choice for those looking to save some cash. However, many users feel that the PurSteam, despite its higher price, offers better versatility and features, making it worth the investment for a more comprehensive cleaning experience. So if you're aiming to keep your wallet happy, the Dirt Devil might be the way to go. When it comes to cleaning power, both the PurSteam and Dirt Devil promote chemical-free cleaning. The PurSteam is particularly praised by reviewers for its effectiveness in cleaning various surfaces like kitchen floors and grout without the use of harsh chemicals. Users with kids and pets find this feature particularly appealing. On the other hand, the Dirt Devil also gets high marks for its ability to clean effectively using just steam. Reviewers, however, note that the Dirt Devil may require additional cleaning solutions for tougher stains. Both products stand out as great options for those looking for a more natural cleaning method. Heat-up time is another crucial factor, and both mops heat up in just 30 seconds, according to user feedback. Reviewers are thrilled with how quickly they can start cleaning, making both mops convenient for busy households. This fast heat-up time means you won't have to wait long to tackle those messes, which is a major plus for both products. Next, let's discuss maneuverability. The PurSteam features a swiveling mop head that allows it to reach under furniture with ease, earning it rave reviews for flexibility. Users describe it as a ninja for your floors. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil offers a 180-degree swivel head, making it easy to navigate around corners and furniture. Reviewers appreciate both mops for their ability to clean tight spaces, but the PurSteam edges out slightly for its superior design. If you have a lot of furniture to work around, both will serve you well, but the PurSteam might just have the upper hand. Finally, let's take a look at accessories. The PurSteam comes with an extensive toolkit, including brushes, nozzles, and squeegees, making it a versatile cleaning companion. Reviewers love the variety of attachments that allow them to tackle different cleaning tasks. In contrast, the Dirt Devil keeps things simple with 3 steam mode settings, which some users appreciate for its straightforward approach. However, others find it lacking in versatility compared to the PurSteam. If you're looking for more options, the PurSteam is the clear winner here. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses based on user reviews. The PurSteam is praised for its versatility and effectiveness across a range of cleaning tasks, while the Dirt Devil shines as a budget-friendly option for maintaining sealed, hard floors. Users appreciate the lightweight design and ease of use of both products, but some found the Dirt Devil's build quality lacking. Ultimately, the choice may come down to what features are most important to you. Thanks for tuning in to our comparison of the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the Dirt Devil Steam Mop. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.